We're super excited about our latest customer review. We worked very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. As much as we think we're doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that push us harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.